Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where I'm going to be teaching you Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to continue on with exercise number 5 in modeling systems of equations found in lesson 4 of chapter 4 in your workbook. If you don't have a workbook, that's okay. I'm glad to have you here following along with this tutorial video. Exercise number 5 says Sage is going to the movies with 5 of her friends. Sage and 5 friends. The movie theater sells tickets for $12 each, popcorn for $6.25, and soda for $5.50. The group of friends spent $124.50 on tickets and 9 additional concession stand items consisting of popcorn and soda. How many popcorns and how many sodas did Sage and her friends purchase? So we have a lot of information here. Let's see if we can break it down. Now, we know that there's tickets, popcorn, and soda. Okay, so we know that $12 per ticket will represent that with a T, plus $6.25 for each popcorn, plus $5.50 for each soda, gave us a grand total of $124.50. And then we know that if we add up our tickets and our popcorn and our soda, they bought tickets and 9 additional concession items. So we don't want to add those up, actually. Let's see what we do want to do. Well, we have 3 different variables here, which we're not used to having. But the reason why we have 3 different variables is because we have a key piece of information that we have not used yet. And that key piece of information is there's a given here. And the given is we know how many tickets were sold because we know how many people went to the movies. And if you said 5, you fell into the trap and you got tricked. Because 5 is the number of friends Sage went to the movies with. So it's Sage and 5 of her friends makes 6 people. So we could substitute a 6 in for T there. And we'll get 12 times 6 plus 625p plus 550s is equal to 124.50. And now we have a 2-variable equation which we're used to solving. And if we wanted to, we could even simplify this 12 times 6 to 72. Then we could go ahead and get this to look like an equation that we're used to dealing with, where we subtract 72 from both sides. And I'll do that a little bit better. And we'll have 625p plus 550s is equal to 124.50 minus 72 will give us $52.50. And finally, we know that 9 additional concession stand items were sold, including of popcorn and soda. So we know that in addition to the tickets, there was a popcorn and soda sale that consisted of 9 total items between them. So now we have a system of equations right here that we could solve using any method that we've learned this far. And I'm going to use elimination because, again, if I have the p's lined up, the s's lined up, the equals lined up, I'm in a good spot to solve by elimination. And I'll do that by multiplying this equation by negative 6.25, which will give me a negative 6.25p, which is the opposite of 6.25p. So I'll go ahead and distribute, and I'll get negative 6.25p minus 6.25s, and negative 6.25 times 9 will give me negative 56.25. Now I'm going to recopy the equation I have not used yet, which is 625p plus 550s is equal to 5250. And when I combine these equations together, my p variables are going to cancel out, and I'll be left with negative 6.25s plus 5.50s will give me negative 0.75s. And then I'll have negative 56.25 plus $52.50, which will give me negative $3.75. I'm going to take my work up here, and I'm going to have negative 75 cents S is equal to negative $3.75, and I'll divide both sides by negative 0.75. And I will have an S value, or the price of my soda. No, not the price of my soda, the number of sodas that I purchased, excuse me, to be 5. S equals 5 when I divide those. And now this super simple part, because I know that there was 9 total items sold. So 5 plus what number of popcorns will give me 9 total items using this equation right here. And that number is going to be 4 popcorns. When you subtract 5, you get 9 minus 5 is 4. So we know that there were 4 popcorns and 5 sodas purchased in addition to the tickets. And if you factor in the cost of the tickets, the popcorns, and the sodas, that would give you a grand total of $124.50. So this one was a little bit different because it gave you a little bit extra piece of information, and I wanted to see how you dealt with knowing the price of a ticket, but not really being told how many people were going to the movies. If you understand this, you're in awesome shape. You're ready for the last exercise, number 6. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up to let me know that I helped you out. And you could go on and click the link in the video provided to take you to our last exercise in this lesson. Thanks for watching.